In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. All you have to do is launch the game on your console and access the homepage, which is the Call of Duty homepage. And then from here, press the menu button on your controller and then select Settings from the options that appear. Now at this point, simply navigate to the interface section and then ensure that you are under the global section and you should see the option preferred language. So simply select that. So there are 4 languages that you can choose from. So there's English, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. So choose the one that you prefer. So let's say Spanish, select that. And then you should see this notice. Do you want to install the Spanish Latin language pack? You can simply select yes. And then you should see this prompt that that particular language will have to be downloaded so that you can use it. So simply click on OK or select OK, and then wait for the language to be installed. Now, once the language pack is installed, simply go back to the preferred language section, and then now you can select Spanish, and then you should see current language is set to English. Would you like to restart the game with Spanish as your new language? You can select yes, and that will change the language. And as you can see, the language has been changed on Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So let's give it a few seconds. There you go. So as you can see, the menu has changed. And that's basically it on how to change the language. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.